Welcome to Visually Impaired Help Center. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You will be notified upload the new video. Thank you.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं तन्वी विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड हेल्प सेंटर की चैनल में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। दोस्तों, हम मास्टर सर्कुलर ऑन बैंकिंग फैसिलिटीज़ का अध्ययन कर रहे हैं और आज हम उसका आगे अध्ययन करते हुए डिपॉजिट्स एनेक्चर ए फॉर इंडिविजुअल्स स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ब्लैंक ब्रांच डेट ब्लैंक डियर सर opening of an account in my sole name. At my request, you have agreed to open or opened an account in my name. In consideration of your agreeing to open or having opened such an account, I agree and undertake with you as follows. 2. All the rules and regulations governing the opening and operation of the with check facility, with self-operated check facility, without check facility, SB or /CA number dash account which is in my name have been read out and explained to me by in bracket name and designation of the branch official bracket over blank of the branch, and I have understood them and their full implications. I understand that I should ensure the safekeeping of the checkbooks, passbooks, statements of accounts, etc. issued to me so that they do not fall into unauthorized hands. I also understand that when I sign a check, the other contents of the check like amount, name of the payee, etc. are being filled in by me or other designated by me, and I will ensure that the correct information is entered and have been properly and faithfully read out to me. I am alive to and conscious of all the risks in these processes, and I hereby undertake that in case any misuse of these checkbooks, passbooks, processes, etc. occurs with or without any knowledge, resulting in any fraud, loss or inconvenience to me or any other persons, I shall be assuming full responsibility for all such consequences, losses, etc. And I will not hold the bank in any way liable or responsible for any fraud, losses, damages caused due to the operation of the said account by me. Third, in case of operation of the said account by me, constituted attorney, I assume full responsibility for his or her action and will not hold the bank in any way liable or responsible for any losses or damages, etc. caused due to the operation of the said account by him or her. Fourth point, I feel in brackets strike off if not applicable bracket closed, that my signature may not exhibit consistency due to the vision impairment or some other infirmity. In order to avoid my checks from being returned unpaid on account of difference in the signature, I do not mind getting my checks branded CARE, CARE, depositor, blind or visually challenged. And while issuing check or checks, I shall put my thumb impression in addition to my signature, which shall be witnessed by the branch manager or divisional head as per bank's laid down procedures. Yours faithfully, blank, signature of the account holder, witnessed by name, address and signature. तो दोस्तों, सोल नेम में अकाउंट खोलने के लिए का एनेक्चर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म यहाँ पर ख़त्म होता है। जय भारत।